sacrifice everything to be an underground king. Underground king. I sacrifice everything to be an underground king.
What it do, kings and queens? It's your boy the UP King, the People's Champ, and I'm back with another video. And I gotta apologize. These next couple videos that you see, they're not the greatest, but hopefully they help out. And as you can see here, we are spraying today with the Aeropro A610, and just a quick little bumper job that a customer wanted done, and we're just getting it done. Shooting the base at about 26 psi, and it's laying down pretty nice. Now, while I'm on the subject of the A610, the Aeropro spray gun, I made a post a while back about spraying with the Aeropro spray gun that looks exactly like this one, just got a different color on it. And I was asking if I should do any content with that spray gun, which I chose not to, simply because the company reached out to me and they wanted me to spray with it, but I didn't have full control of the review. I wanted to do a review with it, but they had it under a contract, and through that contract they had what they wanted me to say. So I chose not to do a video or a review of that spray gun simply because of that. It's the same exact gun, of course, so I'm pretty sure it gets great results. But for my people, I couldn't do the review and not give it an honest review because they already had what they wanted me to say, and it would have been in the contract for me to say, you know, that it was a great spray gun and all that jazz. So I can't speak for anyone else that did reviews on that spray gun. I don't know what conditions they were under, if they got paid, if they didn't, if they purchased the gun with their own money. I honestly don't know, but that was my situation. I still have the contract, and I never did do it because of that. So if you were looking for that video, you'll probably never see it because I won't do the contract and not be able to give a review like I want to, an honest review. So jump in the comments, tell me what you think. Should I be doing these reviews and getting paid for them, or should I just keep it honest and just keep telling you guys the truth, which I feel like, you know, I should be able to review these spray guns and give you the truth, and I shouldn't be told, you know, what to say when I do the review. Because if that's the case, then all these spray guns are going to spray great, you know, and I'm going to say that for all of them. And all of them might not spray so great. Alright, here we are jumping into the first coat of clear, spraying at 30 psi, and I'm putting it on wet. I know I like to usually put on a first light coat, but I'm putting it on wet this time. And the Aeropro, it can handle it. You can put it on wet. You still get a nice finish. You'll see that at the end. But you can really enjoy this spray gun. This one comes with the different tips, so you can do, you know, base, clear, single stage, primer. You can do all those different things with this spray gun with the different tips that it comes with. And again, I apologize for all these different edits that's going on in the video. My equipment is definitely failing me, but I still wanted to drop these videos for you. You know, I did invest in some new equipment, so hopefully future videos will be, you know, 100 times better. So bear with me with these videos, and definitely working on getting you some better quality. Alright, so here we are, second coat of clear. Still spraying at 30 psi. And we still laying this thing on wet. There go them pesky edits again. Oh man, I can't wait to be done with these videos. Get to some better stuff. But hopefully these videos is helping out. And that's the main thing. If the videos help you out, then I'll keep putting them up. But just a quick bumper job, nothing serious. Again, just wanted to talk to you guys about the whole paint gun situation and what you think about it. Remember to drop them comments, tell me what you think. Should I be getting paid for these reviews or no? I definitely got to do honest reviews, you know, keep it honest with you guys when I'm doing these reviews. So I don't know, just let me know what you think, drop me a comment. But yeah, we almost done with this one. Quick little job. Customer wanted it painted and decided to put it on the vehicle himself, so this was an easy job. Another one pretty much done and going out the door. And here we are, all finished up outside of the paint booth. I didn't mention in the video because I was yapping that we used the Finish 1 clear on this bumper. And yeah, here's what it looks like outside the booth. Got good nice shine to it, good reflection as you see. You can see me recording there. So another quick easy job. Something I know that you guys and gals can do at home, no problem, with the A610, the Aeropro.
Everything to be an underground king. I sacrifice everything.